There are a lot of supplements out there that are marketed for anti-aging, a lot of products. I'm sure you've heard of collagen, you've heard of different antioxidants, but is there one thing that creates the aging process to slow down? Hi, this is Captain Mike, and welcome to another episode of Vitamin Benzene. And there's not going to be one thing that slows the aging process. It's a combination of things. And I just wanted to bring out how the aging process in a nutshell comes about. It's basically free radical damage. Our cells go through a process where they react with the oxygen, especially the fat tissues, where the oxygen molecule is taken up, and that causes metabolism where free radicals are naturally produced. And this is how we age, where the cells are cycling and coming back new every few weeks, every few months. Generally, it's about 36 days when we have basically a new body. And depending on how fast this process is happening is how we are going to be aging. Now, free radical damage, it's occurring naturally, which is a part of aging, but it can be speeded up because of the environment, because of the food that we eat, the processed food, our thoughts, the stress level, and we can slow that process a little bit down by making sure the free radical damage that's happening and the antioxidants which are we're blocking that free radical scavenger from really taking over the system has to have an imbalance. So if the free radical damage is happening more often than the input of these antioxidants, then the aging process basically is speeding up. And that's where you see some people age a lot faster than they are their age, and some don't. Now, of course, there's a lot of DNA, there's a lot of genetics that's at play too, but generally is what you're exposing yourself to, the chemicals, the environment, the processed food, how much you're having, and basically there are three things that take place in the aging process: the free radical damage that happens by these oxidation of nutrients, the enzyme depletion, where we're not getting enough enzymes from the food that we're eating, which helps in every process. Enzymes in general help in every chemical process that's happening in the system, and of course the cosmos. And also, so if those two are slowed down and making sure we are getting all these antioxidants, basically where do we get these antioxidants? Well, if you've seen the rainbow of color of food, where everything in nature has a different color, that's why we have red, green, blue, orange, yellow. So all those are vibrant. When looking at those fruits or vegetables, those are vibrant in those antioxidants. May it be flavonoids, maybe tannins, may it be proanthocyanins. These are high in antioxidants, which are kind of preventing that or slowing that free radical damage, or kind of making sure the body gets rid of those free radical damages that is happening or is producing those toxins quickly and in a very speedy process. That's why it's important to get a rainbow in your plate where you have these different colors of fruits and vegetables. Now, if you're not getting most of these in your diet, because nowadays the exposure we have in chemicals with the stress level in the environment and maybe the type of food, we just don't have enough antioxidants to prevent that or slow that free radical damage down. And that's why supplementation is kind of necessary or is important. And I just want to go through a quick list, which I've seen in the past 20 years, some of these nutrients that are great, alpha lipoic acid, NAC, vitamin C, of course, vitamin E, but even bigger than those or larger antioxidants, if you see in the market nowadays, grapeseed extracts, which have high amount of proanthocyanins, resveratrol that's coming from wine, and that's why the wine industry took off. But I have a different kind of answer to that because it has the alcohol. But those grapes have those antioxidants. And a lot of the herbs like arjuna in Ayurveda is one of the high antioxidants. Turmeric is one of those antioxidants which not only prevents the damage but also makes sure it's depleted or taken away from the body. Glutathione, which is produced in the system, also as an antioxidant that prevents all of that toxins that are built up in the liver to cleanse the liver and make sure it goes through the colon. So antioxidant level is important, and I wouldn't just go ahead and buy all the supplements with antioxidants, but what you want to do is how much free radical damage that you're exposed to. Naturally, you're going through a process anyways, but it would be great to include that in your diet, where you're having all the berries, the strawberries, the blueberries, the blackberries, the red berries, a lot of those grains, a lot of those nuts also have those antioxidants. Lentils have those antioxidants. So, good natural amount of antioxidants is very important in the diet, and a wide spectrum of colors, which are very important in the diet. And you can supplement some of these supplements in a general regular basis, where they will prevent that aging process, and of course help boost the immune system, which also is a part of aging also. If the immune system is shattered or not able to keep up, then obviously you will age faster because the body's going to use up a lot of resources. So I hope that was a quick nutshell about anti-aging and antioxidants. Wish you all the best. Be safe. This is Cosmic Mike. Happy journey, happy life, and to everyone, see you on Friday. Thank you.